Walking through the garden in the early light, keeping all the memories of the neon night. Chasing every shadow like a paper plane, running from the sorrow and the pouring rain. We were young and restless with a heart of gold, doing all the stories that were never told. Looking at the world through a colorful glass, watching all the seasons and the minutes